Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, eastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Ford County in east central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 3 p.m. At 1:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Manteno to 8 miles west of Ashcombe to near Saybrook, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Lowell, Manteno, Gibson City, Momence, Gilman, Clifton, Chatsworth, Onarga, Grand Park, St. Anne, Chubett, Piper City, Ashcombe, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Markeaton, and Crescent City, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 271 and 319. This includes Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds and Speedway, and Olivet Nazarene University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe